How to activate your PNC Bank credit card. Let's get started. First off, let's activate your PNC Bank credit card using the online banking account. Head towards the website of PNC Bank, then log into your account providing the credentials. Once logged in, navigate to Customer Service tab and select Manage Credit Card from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to activate your card. Now let's use the phone number to activate your credit card. Call the number on the sticker attached to your new card. It's usually toll-free. Follow the automated instructions and be ready to provide some personal information for verification like your SSN number and the credit card number. If you prefer using the mobile banking app, you can do that as well. Launch the app, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once logged in, find the option to activate your card under the Manage Card section. Follow the instructions provided to complete the activation. Well, these are the ways to activate your PNC Bank credit card. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.